हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यू ऑन दिल्ली IAS। दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 45 एंड मेरा जो टारगेट है UPSC CSE 2024 उसके लिए डे रह रहे हैं 324 डेज़। दोस्तों, काफ़ी दिनों बाद मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। एज यू नो, आई मेंशन इन माई लास्ट वीडियो दैट आई एम फेसिंग सम अनकॉमन unexpected circumstances, so that phase has passed and it took me nearly 19 days to pass through that phase. Now I will try to improve my path. Last time I discussed my daily schedule on this 18th of June 2023, and this 1 week, 2 week, and today is this third week. After 3 week, nearly 3 week, today is 7th of July 2023. So let us see what will be my today's schedule so that I can achieve my target. Okay, as you can see, from 9 to 10 I will do my because today I am doing fresh start after so many days, so that's why today, yes. Okay, so what will be my schedule from 9 to 10? From 9 to 10 from 9 to 10 in 1 hour I will plan to do my technique training, my revision retrieval of technique है ना, techniques revision. And from 10 to 11 will be my break plus other things. Break is only 15 minutes, rest I will do other study related things. From 11 to 12, during this 1 hour I will do my goal setting. As you know, I did my goal setting last time 1 month back, and today nearly 1 month has passed, so I have to do my goal setting. As you can see here, last time I did my goal setting here in June, and this time it is July of 7th. So I will do here goal setting, which will include long term, mid term and short term goal. Okay, then from 12 to 1 it is my lunch time, and 1 to 2 I will do same thing, goal setting, because in 1 hour it is nearly difficult to finish the same thing. Long term, mid term and short term goal setting. I will do self reflection and analysis, what were the area to improvement, what are areas to improvement. Then 2 to 3 15-minute break plus micro learning. 3 to 4 I am thinking to do my revision 4 and 5, whatever I have studied during last month I will do. That's retrieval 4 and 5. Something I will do retrieval 4, something I will do retrieval number 5. Then from 4 to 5 15-minute break plus micro learning, and then this, wait a second, yes, then this is okay. Then this 6 to 8 I will do the same thing, that is retrieval number 4 and 5. 8 to 9 is my dinner time, and 8 to 9 is my dinner time, and after that 9 to 10 I will do the same thing, revision 4 and 5, whatever I have studied during last month. And during 10 to 11 I will do self reflection, you can say analysis, cob and marginal gain. These things I will do. So this is my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve it. How much I will achieve, let us see in my daily progress report video. Thanks for being part of this journey. Thank you.